Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on your REALME Pad Mini. So to do this, we have to open the settings. Next we have to find applications. Then we have to click right here to see all 32 apps. And next we have to simply pick application that we want to remove from our device. In my case, I'm gonna take this one. So click, tap on uninstall, and then click OK. Next, you can also find some apps that you cannot remove, and it will be, for example, maybe that's not that good example, but it will be definitely the contacts. As you can see, we can only turn off this option, this application. And it's all about the system apps, like Android system, accessibility, and probably the same with the Google Assistant. So the system apps you cannot uninstall, you can only remove apps that you download. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.